Long-term care insurance is expensive and getting pricier. That's all the more reason to know what it covers, what it costs, and how to shop smart. Some answers tonight as we kick off a special three-part series on NBR, How to Navigate Long-Term Care. Bertha Coombs reports.
I knew that I would need long-term care.
Phyllis Douglas bought long-term care insurance when she turned 70. It cost her $140 a month with a lifetime cap of $100,000 because she has rheumatoid arthritis.
The only thing I could get was limited because of my physical conditions.
She paid a total of $20,000 in premiums over 12 years. Now it's paying for a private aide at the assisted living facility where the 85-year-old has lived since 2010.
I didn't want the kids to have to, take care of me that way if I didn't have to. They do anyway because that's who they are.
Her son Fred has already enrolled for long-term coverage at work after seeing how his mom's plan has helped her stretch her savings.
It's prolonging the point at which that money will get consumed at the high rate that she's paying out because she's paying for a facility here.
Strategic Wealth Management's Crystal Cooper advises clients to enroll for long-term care in their 50s while they're in good health and have more flexible options.
The cost of premiums can be pretty pricey, but there are different policies that will allow you to change different features of those policies and make it more affordable for you.
Individual plan premiums can start at about $2,000 a year for healthy individuals in their 50s, depending on benefit levels, starting at $50 a day to cover a home aide to help with housework, up to $200 a day for assisted living or nursing home care. It's more expensive for those who are older.
There's a 71% chance of people over age 65 that at some point in their life they will need some type of long-term care services. And so that alone says that you have to have a contingency plan in place for that.
With long-term care costs rising faster than inflation, insurers have been raising premiums sharply on older plans that date back to the 1990s and changing their underwriting to take into account not just age and health, but also gender. Some financial advisors say women may want to consider obtaining coverage sooner rather than later because women have longer life expectancies. Insurers tend to charge women higher premiums when they're older than they do men. As with car or home insurance, there's a risk of paying for coverage you won't use. But women, like Phyllis Douglas, usually do collect on long-term care claims. For her, it's been worth it.
And I believe more people should have it because they don't appreciate what's going to happen to you.
For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bertha Coombs in Somerset, New Jersey.